Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word countermand. Countermand has 3 syllables. In British English, we pronounce it as countermand, countermand, countermand. In American English, we pronounce it as countermand, countermand, countermand. Countermand means to cancel, change, or reverse an order or command that has already been given. The example sentences are: number 1, the Prime Minister issued a countermand of the previous orders. Number 2, the boss had to countermand the meeting since many employees were absent. Synonyms of countermand are cancel, reverse, revoke. The antonyms are confirm, approve, permit. The first form is countermand. Second form is countermanded. And the third form is countermanded. Countermand can also be used as a noun. Common preposition used with the word countermand is to, and the other prepositions are from and against. Thanks for watching.